The secret to focus, revealed by neuroscience. Creating a brain that doesn't get distracted. Isn't our brain truly fascinating, yet sometimes a bit mischievous? Even when we're still, all sorts of random thoughts pop up. And when we try to focus on something, we easily get drawn to smartphones or other temptations. This isn't merely a matter of willpower. It's also due to the inherent characteristics of our brain. Neuroscience helps us understand and utilize these brain characteristics to enhance our focus. 1. Why is it difficult to focus? The brain's natural tendencies. Our brain constantly tries to explore and process information from its surroundings. While this was advantageous for survival in modern society, the overwhelming amount of information and stimuli actually hinders concentration. Especially, random thoughts are evidence that our brain is constantly active. Just like when you're talking to a friend in a noisy cafe, at first you hear all the surrounding sounds. But once you're engrossed in your friend's story, the background noise seems to mute. Similarly, the brain's activity patterns change, depending on what we focus on. 2. Finding the focus switch hidden in the brain. Neuroscientists say there's a focus switch in our brain. Learning how to flip this switch can make us much more efficient in work or study. This switch is closely related to the brain's rhythm. Our brain cannot maintain the same level of concentration all day long. It's really important to identify the brain's optimal activity times and provide appropriate rest. Just like the Pomodoro technique, which involves 25 minutes of focus followed by 5 minutes of rest. Managing brain fatigue in this way can help maintain concentration much better. 3. Practical neuroscience strategies for creating a non-distracted brain. So, how can we specifically train our brain to reduce distractions and maximize concentration? Environmental setup to enhance concentration. You must first change your surroundings. Turn off smartphone notifications. Clear unnecessary items. Create a quiet and comfortable space. Essentially, simplify the environment so your brain doesn't have a chance to wander. Brain training and habituation. Our brain has a characteristic called plasticity, meaning it can change with consistent training. This implies that concentration can also be improved through training. Improving information processing speed. There are methods to train the brain to process information faster. For example, practicing acquiring a lot of information in a short time, or training to simplify and solve complex problems. Establishing regular habits. Creating a routine where you do the same things at the same time each day helps the brain get used to those actions, making it easier to focus. Short meditations, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep are essential for brain health and greatly contribute to improving concentration. Exercise, in particular, is known to increase blood flow to the brain, which is effective in boosting concentration. Goal-oriented thinking. Setting specific and clear goals is also important. When goals are clear, the brain tends to focus on achieving them. Instead of a vague, "I need to work hard," try something like, "Today, I need to read up to page 30 of this book." Brain fatigue management. When the brain gets tired, concentration inevitably drops. Appropriate rest and rejuvenation are essential. Rather than trying to force concentration too much, giving the brain enough time to rest is more effective for long-term concentration maintenance. How was that? The secret to concentration, revealed by neuroscience, ultimately lies in understanding our brain and adjusting our environment and habits to its characteristics. By understanding and utilizing your brain well, you'll be able to reduce distractions and immerse yourself more deeply in what you want to do. I hope you utilize these methods to have an even better day. Fighting.